Welcome to Zoomers RV of Wabash, Indiana. This is the used 2017 Premier Ultralight 26RBPR. This 31-foot, 6-inch travel trailer has 2 slides and sleeps 5 people. It weighs in at just 6,008 pounds. You can see we have a slide topper over here. In the center living area of this camper, there's opposing slides, which gives you a great sense of space. This couple camper's MSRPs at $39,556, but is available at the Zoomers low price of $21,900. That is as little as $214 a month with Zoomers hassle-free on-site financing. Over here you can see we have an outdoor kitchen with 2-burner cooktop, refrigerator, cabinetry, plumbed sink, an outlet over here. As you can see, this comes with a thermal package. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. When we step into this lightly used travel trailer, you'll notice we have a nice big kitchen island, a 2-basin sink, a hide-a-bed, a dinette with storage underneath, in here, some pantry space. Let's not forget the entertainment center. Nice flat screen TV and radio. We also have some storage. In our kitchen we have a 2-door domestic refrigerator, some counter space, 3-burner cooktop, overhead cabinetry and microwave. Let's go ahead and look at the bedroom. Here we have our queen bed with wardrobe on either side. We also have an end table on either side. We have TV hookup, TV backer, and this nice sliding door to give us some privacy. Let's go towards the back of the camper. Here we have some more storage. And a fully enclosed restroom with mirrored medicine cabinet, storage over here, so we get some hanging wardrobe. As you can tell, there's plenty of room in here, and of course our shower. Hope you enjoyed the tour of this lightly used Premier. See pictures, specs, or apply for financing online at ZOOMERSRV.com. Thank you.